Now trendsetters, in August, early August, if you're in the southern hemisphere, is a great time to start looking after your citrus. Today I'll be fertilising, composting and mulching my citrus. This is my Mandy. I've got 3 others. I've got a little lemonade tree, a lime tree and a lemon tree. They'll all get the same treatment. Fertiliser just goes on at the recommended rate, whatever it says on the back of the packet. I'm using Gigantic from ℙ𝕃𝕼𝔼. But you can use any fertiliser, whatever floats your boat for fertilisers. They don't care. They'll suck it up either way you like. Compost, my compost isn't my 100% compost, so it's not completely finished. It's still got a little way to go, but that's fine for these guys because it can finish composting on top of the soil. And it'll also give me room to bring other compost on because I'm running out of space. And mulch, again, hang on. And for mulch, I'll just be using sugarcane mulch you buy from the big box stores. Yeah, again, you can use whatever is your personal favourite. You can use straw, barley straw, wheat straw, hay, lucerne, whatever. But yeah, mulch, keep that soil moisture in. Help suppress weeds, which I've got plenty of. And Bob's your uncle. That will keep them going. Then I will just regularly fertilise throughout the season. Probably summer again, I will do the same thing, basically rinse and repeat, early summer. And that's the job for today. Nothing to it. The only thing I forgot to mention is basically mulch and fertilise 30 odd centimetres either side of your drip line, which is where the outer lying leaves are, and when it rains the water drips to the ground. So you're looking at 60 centimetre area of coverage, so 30 centimetres either side of the drip line. No good pointing it back there at the trunk. There's no feeding roots there. The feeding active feeding roots are out here at the drip line, which is where the water is and which is where the whole process really gets going. Also, I've got this comfrey here. It doesn't matter, I've got compost and mulch over the top of it. It will come up and through anyhow. Compost, let's go 3, keep it metric, 75 to 100 mils thick or deep if you've got that much compost, otherwise just as much as you can. Oh, it's full of worms. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but if you're in the northern hemisphere, which is the other side of the equator to me, this is a February, March job. If you're not sure, just wait until you can see little signs of new growth on your citrus. As soon as you see that, hook in, you're ready to go. The mulch, the sugarcane mulch, like I said, you can use whatever you like for mulch. Again, 75 to 100 millimetres thick, so I'll probably end up using this whole bag on this one tree, and I'll probably need to go and buy some more for the others, but that's beside the point. And again, with mulch, as for compost, 30 centimetres either side of the drip line is fine. You can go a little bit wider if you want to, so 45 centimetres either side, just to help keep that moisture in the ground for the tree. how's that? Job done. I don't think there's any more I need to say. I don't think there's any more I want to say. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, that's super duper. Glad you're here. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.